Hi everyone, welcome back to today's table topic practice video. And the table topic is, why do we think of others the most when they are gone? Why do we think of others the most when they are gone? Why do we think of others? Many times it happens that we realize the importance of the people when they are not near us. And many times it happens when they are gone, uh, and then we realize the importance of them. Then we realize we 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 try to remember their good memories with them, and all the good time that was spent with them, it comes to us. And if we think about what could be the possible reason for it, and according to me, that we when we are near to somebody, when we are with people, we don't take a moment to realize and the importance of that person in our life. We don't take a time to reflect on our life, and we just keep on moving, just keep on going. And after some time, when we realize, when the time, uh, when the time, uh, when the time comes, or when you have spent a lot of time, uh, when you are aged, then you realize, then you look back and just realize that you don't have people with you. Why this happens? Because we involved and become busy in our day-to-day life so much that we forget the importance of other people. We just focus on our life, our ambition, and our job. And job, in my opinion, job could be the worst thing that you sacrifice your family and other people for. Recently, I was having this conversation with my friend that, and he happened to read the last 60 days diary of someone who was diagnosed with cancer. And he just reflected in the diary, and he had read the diary, and he talked to me about it, that family is the important thing that he realized, and he feel bad that he never thought about it. He just uh, always optimized for his ambition, or like he never cared about other people in his life. And that is true. And the same realization happened in 2020, and most of the people have realized. So just try to think about it. Just take a moment, maybe every year or something like that. Appreciate what you have. And when you realize that, you will realize the importance of other people, and the mistake could be avoided. Thank you.